Imagine floating in space. Everything around you is silent. Billions of stars shining in the distance. And then you see it. Not a planet, not a star, but something darker than darkness itself. A black hole. And somehow you begin falling toward it. So the question is, what would actually happen if you fell into a black hole? Would you be crushed instantly? Would time stop? Or would you somehow travel to another universe? Today, we're going to explore what science actually says about one of the most mysterious objects in the universe. First, let's understand what a black hole really is. Despite the name, a black hole isn't actually a hole. Black holes usually form when massive stars die. When a star much bigger than our sun runs out of fuel, gravity wins. The star collapses inward, and all that enormous mass gets compressed into an incredibly tiny space. The result? An object with gravity so powerful that it warps space and time itself. At the center lies something called the singularity, point where gravity becomes infinite and the laws of physics basically break. But before reaching that point, there's something extremely important, something called the event horizon. The event horizon is often called the point of no return. Once you cross it, there is absolutely no way back. If someone were watching you from far away, they would never actually see you fall in. Instead, you would appear to slow down more and more until you eventually freeze in time right at the edge. Your light would stretch and turn red. Black holes don't just bend space, they bend time. This effect is called gravitational time dilation. If you spent just a few hours near a black hole, years might pass back on Earth. The real danger is something scientists call spaghettification. As you fall closer, your feet are closer to the black hole than your head. Gravity pulls harder on your feet. But surprisingly, with a supermassive black hole, things might be different. The universe behind you would appear brighter and more distorted. Stars would swirl around you in strange patterns. The singularity is the deepest mystery. It's a point where density becomes infinite, and the laws of physics completely collapse. Others speculate black holes might connect to wormholes, hypothetical tunnels through space-time. Physicist Stephen Hawking proposed Hawking radiation, a process where black holes slowly lose energy and eventually evaporate. Black holes are not just cosmic monsters. They are laboratories of extreme physics. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe. The universe still holds many more mysteries.